Hey there, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. I hope that today I'll provide you with a ton of cleaning motivation because I have a lot to get done, and I hope that you'll either clean with me or this will motivate you to get going with what you need to get done. I have to clean our outdoor mat, our outdoor rug for our camper, and bring that out there today. So let's get to it. So when I say that we have a all white shower, and then this glass insert, which gets super yucky. This has got to get cleaned up. And then you can see that we just get mold in the corners, and a lot of this is just stained. And then I need to get a new rack. I'm actually gonna toss that today because that rack is disgusting. This is honestly embarrassing. It's so bad, but you know what? It's just one of those jobs that's gotta get done. Clearing out the whole shower, checking if any of the products are empty or close to being gone. Also, that means I need to order more. There's a lot of products in here. I'm not sure how many people I have living in this house.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down
Barkeeper's Friend seems to be one of the only things that can get the water spots off of my glass insert.
This is not what we should be. Try to get the best of me. This is not what we should be. Try to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down new. Strip it down new.
Gotta clean the toilet. And I'm probably the only person in America that still uses Comet. I'd like to get the Clorox toilet wand with the disposable tabs. That's next on my list. Got their toilet cleaned, tidied up in here, and my husband will be so happy he'll be able to see himself when he's shaving now. Whew. I am not even going to lie, I am exhausted. It's 12:30. So I still want to get done with the sliding glass door, and I need to shine my fridge. And I know I'm super all over the place. That's just how I've always been. I'm like sweating. I'm all over the place. And that's just kind of how I roll. I would love to be that person that's like, okay, I'm going to deep clean the master bathroom and I'm going to organize the towels and organize everything. I bounce around. That's kind of how I've always lived my life. So I dropped the rug off and I gotta drop a couple more things off, but really I have to come out here to get a chair because Dane is going on a boys trip. In here, no leaks. Oh, you know what? I forgot to take this with me last time I washed that, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this.
Thanks, yeah. We don't know that.
We got our groceries coming. Okay, so we just got back from a Walmart grocery pickup and I'm going to show you really quickly what we got. And if you're not into grocery hauls, you can just skip through a couple minutes and get back to cleaning. All right, so this is everything that I got. I even got a little goodie bag and I'll show you guys what I got in the goodie bag. I actually haven't even gone through the whole thing, but this is everything really quickly. Okay, I couldn't remember how much this order was for. So the total was $70.87. Wait, this is what I got. I got some frozen mixed vegetables, which is going along with my cream of mushroom soup, cream of celery, and the grands. And if you haven't guessed already, yes, I'm going to make chicken and dumplings like the easy way, but in the Instant Pot. So nothing too exciting. I get these for my husband for lunches because I can just have a smoothie for lunch. He needs something a little more. So he really likes those. This is actually for my 9-year-old. The pediatrician said to have, which is so funny to me, but it's aluminum free and it's not an antiperspirant. So I guess like kids are not supposed to use antiperspirants. Peppers, we always have these lemons and limes. 2-pound pack of strawberries. I think these were $3.50. And I will check them. I wanna see if they have any mold on them or anything because sometimes these aren't the freshest. See, a couple of them don't look all that great, but it's okay. We'll see how much of it we'll be able to use. Love these. My whole family likes rice cakes except for my husband, but the kids and I love these. Wheat Thins. This has been out of stock a lot lately and I really love this tomato sauce. Cream of chicken, that's for a broccoli, rice, chicken casserole I'm going to make, also in the Instant Pot. Refried beans, just a good staple. Love these croutons. Good Seed, this is like our go-to bread. It has been out of stock a lot, so when it is in stock, I grab 2. This for the kiddos, 2 of those as well. We go through bread like crazy. Love these tortillas. They're low carb. 5 net carbs, so if you are we've had this before. It's really, really good. It's no nitrate. All the bacon that we buy is always nitrate free. That's just a personal choice of ours. Love these chocolate chip cookie dough Lara bars. This is like the best quality cheese I have found. I love this Cabot, seriously sharp, and the kids like it too. This is salad for dinner. I think that's it. Just
Mommy, what?
that's mixed veggies. And then really quickly, I'm gonna show you what they gave me in this cute little bag. I love this bag. Got a couple, oh, we got a koozie, Bud Light Seltzer koozie. Cheez-It Snapped, have not tried those. Rice Krispie Treat, Snap, Crackle Pop, chocolatey. That sounds pretty tasty. Ooh, we got a whole pack of rice. That's pretty nice. This is all free. They literally just handed it to me in the car. I'll use that. This has got a $10 off coupon, you know, a referral thing. Those are frozen veggies. And then 2 more things. Arm & Hammer, sensitive skin, laundry detergent sample, and a Z-bar. That's it. Now I'm gonna put these groceries away.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die.
Don't make fun of my 1992 Oryx XL. I do have a Dyson, but I need a new roller head for it. Really, I want to get a new Shark. I will say the Oryx works really well, and we got it at Goodwill. It is a workhorse.
I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, be your light. I'll be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us two, playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but
enjoyed this video. It felt like I just got done running a marathon. Woo! I don't know if I've cleaned this much in a long time. And duty calls, I have a little 2-year-old who needs me to take her to go to the potty, and I'm about to start dinner, which I was going to film, but I'm just exhausted, and it's something I haven't made yet, so I don't know if it's gonna turn out good or not. All right, thanks again for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this. I did have fun filming this video. I got way more done than I would have if I hadn't filmed. So it was motivating, you know, just to kind of have a goal. I've got to get this done and this done and this done, but believe me, the list goes on, and there's still hundreds, if not thousands, of more things that I want to get done around here. So I hope you'll come back and watch another one of my videos.